Hi there, this tutorial is going to show you how to set up and use custom pricing tiers. So a custom pricing tier in SalesBinder allows you to have multiple different price points for each of your inventory items. And then you would assign that to each of your customers that should receive that special pricing. So anytime you bill them, they get the right price. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your settings area. And then you'll find pricing tiers on the left-hand side. Here you can click on create new pricing tier, and we'll set one up that just says wholesale. All right. And then maybe we'll do another one just called retail, just so we can have a couple of these. All right, so that's it. Now you've got those extra pricing tiers available for your inventory. So if we exit settings, go to our inventory list, and we'll edit this inventory item. You'll now see there's those pricing fields available right here. So let's say the wholesale price is $140. We'll say retail is $150. Now we'll just hit save. And so this item is now set up with different pricing values. So if we go to the customer list, we'll give our first customer here, Sarah Miller, a pricing tier set as wholesale. So when you edit a customer, the second tab called pricing and tax rates allows you to assign them a pricing tier. So we'll assign them wholesale, hit save, and then we'll assign John Doe retail. So now anytime we invoice either of them, they'll get the correct pricing as long as it exists as a pricing tier value. If it doesn't, it'll just default to the default selling price. So as an example, we'll go to invoices, create invoice, create one for Sarah Miller, add inventory, we'll add 2 jackets, hit done, and you'll see this person has pricing wholesale, which shows right here. It's $140, and we'll save it. So now if we do the same thing for John Doe, we'll add the same inventory item, add it, hit done. This person gets the retail pricing and it's $150. And we'll hit save. And there you have it. So that's how you would have different pricing tiers for different customers and have them automatically get the pricing they should get.